Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Synthesia AI video maker account online on your PC. And let's start right now. To log into your Synthesia AI video maker, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in synthesia.io and you turn enter, or you can just simply search for Synthesia. Log in like this on the Google itself and hit on enter, and at the first result of Google you can see there is the Synthesia #1 AI video generation platform. Click over there, and this is the link or the web address we have typed in over here on the first tab. Since both of these pages are same, one was from the Google result and one is from the direct web address, we'll be closing one, and after closing, on this homepage of the Synthesia IO, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the login and the create an account button available. But if you have not signed up for a Synthesia account, simply click on create account to go through a procedure to register an account on Synthesia, but we'll not be doing that. Let's click on login, and after you click on login you'll be redirected to the sign in page of the Synthesia AI video maker like this. If you want to continue with your Google or your SSO account, and to log into your Synthesia AI video maker, simply click on sign in with Google or sign in with SSO, and you will be taken to the respective logins of the single sign-in or the SSO account or your Google account. With that being said, we'll not be signing into our Synthesia account with the Google or SSO, but we'll be typing our email address directly like this, and we'll be entering our password. But if you have forgotten your password, there will be a link down here just below the create, but it's not scrolling. And that being said, guys, let's forget about the password thing. After you enter your email address and your password, simply click on login, guys, and then you will be successfully signed into your Synthesia AI video maker platform online on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.